Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. All right, let's begin. First, log into your Amazon Associates account and go to Amazon. Search for a product that fits your niche. Once you find the product, use the Amazon Associates site stripe bar at the top of the page and click Get Link to copy your unique affiliate link. Next, open Pinterest and log into your business account from top right corner. After logging in, click on Home Feed and select Create Pin. Now, upload a high-quality image related to the product. Choose a clear and attractive image that encourages users to stop scrolling. Then, enter a compelling title and write a keyword-rich description to help your pin appear in Pinterest search results. After that, paste your Amazon affiliate link into the destination link field. Finally, choose a relevant board, review your pin, and click Publish to make it live. So that's basically how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. That's it for this video. Thanks!